Start streaming. Oh, I think it worked. Yo, tell me if I'm live. Oh, it worked. Let's go. Finally. Alright, well, if you guys want to see me, my face cam, go on my YouTube. It says I'm live. Do you guys see it? Oh, wait, it's unlisted. That's why. Alright, I'll make it public in a second. Dude, this description's so old. Alright, I'm gonna post it now. Alright, stream status says poor. How do I switch the... I see. Dude, it's saying stream status is poor, and then it's saying, that's funny. And then it's saying, what else is it saying? Stream status poor. It's not supported for 25, whatever. Go to 1920. Whatever. I'm just gonna try it. All right. I'm gonna list the stream. Let me know if there's any problems. Because I don't know how to change my stream resolution. I don't know. How do I change my resolution? Oh, right here. Oh. I need to end my stream then to change it, right? Just let me know if there's something wrong with my stream. If there is, I'll change it. Do you guys see it on my YouTube? Looks fine. Okay, tell me if there's like any problem. Yo, what's going on, guys? Let me know if there's any issues. It's saying there I can't do 2560, so all right. Yeah, if there's just any issue, just give me a shout and I might have to end it and start it again, but I think it's good for now. Lagging. Well, I know it's lagging on YouTube, but just have it open. You don't have to listen to me. I gotta put my Apex code up here. Notice that. For anyone in the YouTube chat, I don't know how much I'm gonna be reading the chat, but yo, tell me, okay, what's the delay? Type one in my YouTube chat when you hear this. I just want to see what the delay is. Oh, that's not that bad. Damn. Okay, thanks. That's actually not that bad at all. So for everyone who's joining, I'll go over my bias in a second. Any way to increase the volume? I mean, you can, but why am I streaming YouTube? Dude, I haven't been on a YouTube stream in like since October, bro. I haven't done a YouTube stream in like 3 months, so I'm just doing a YouTube stream. Cause I just want to talk about price action to everyone. Mm. Give the YouTube the opposite so you guarantee liquidity now. Very funny though. Mm. Why does the title say 0% win rate? Because I don't want any like signal bots joining. So make sure to leave a like, guys, by the way. Yeah, so bias for today is 100% bullish. However, I would love for price to retrace back here and then maybe get a long setup because I just don't see myself longing this high. Dude, I've been streaming every day for the last like 2 years. Ready. I just don't do it for free. The one thing I am watching is this 4 hour close. So if we close above this 4 hour fair value gap here, then I will be bullish. But like I said, a retest would be nice because it's so damn high to long. And um, if you look to the left, how obvious is this on a scale of 1 to 10, in your opinion? How obvious is this fair value gap? Oh, I got two more vlogs coming out to you. Don't worry. Don't worry. Yeah, so to me, the obviousness of this, which I preach a lot, is definitely a 10. So I'm gonna use it just because of how obvious it is, and that's what I will base my bias off of. So, and then the target will be this high if we do break it. But like I said, we still have 38 minutes, so it's quite a lot of time, and I'm waiting for open to even do anything. Hunters, well, not 100% yet until this closes above, but 100% bullish if this closes above. So we'll see. Give me 1 second. Yo, what's up with Paulino? Can I explain why to retrace in the 1 hour, like it's not a fair value gap or something? What do you mean? I don't understand what you mean. Yeah, so that's what I hope. I hope Amit we go down first and then we run up. So if we somehow did this, I think we could get like an A plus setup in here, maybe. Just because this is the new day opening gap, and if you don't know what the new day opening gap is, it's just like a gap from 5 to 6 p.m. last night. No, I'm still doing paid Discord. This is just like a once in a. This is just a fun stream. I haven't been streaming on YouTube in a while, so. I mean, that was good, crazy dog or crazy dog, but. Please talk louder. How about turn me up? Here, I'll turn my mic up. All right, is that better? Maybe. All right, just turn my mic up a little bit. Dodgy, can any of my setups be used without considering daily buys? Yeah, all the time. All the time. Zero percent win rate is crazy, bro. I felt like I had the last week. I felt like I have a 0% win rate. I'm not gonna lie, dude. Price action has not been easy lately. Like you can find stuff, but it just takes it's so hard to find stuff. You really have to like look closely. Yeah, I'll keep this on YouTube. Yeah, there's just been so many like break even trades and just chop. Dude, this PA usually doesn't happen during January. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like yesterday, for example, I don't know if I know all you guys took this inversion down here. I took this on my live and I learned on Discord, and I ended up. I ended up scaling for negative RR because I'm like, dude. I mean, I just didn't have any conviction in us to go higher, and then we ended up chopping around the rest of the morning. Like we went up to this high, and then we just came back down to the entry like 50 million times. I decided not holding through that. So, and then this one was actually good. And what I tell people is, sometimes even if you do get stopped out of break even, like here, like it'll give you a reentry here, and you can see it did give a nice reentry, so that's fine. But um, shave this. Yeah, I gotta shave, dude. I'll probably shave later. Um, do a giveaway. Guess I could do a giveaway. I don't know how I do it, but if you want to be in the giveaway, you have to like the video. Am I a safety razor kind of guy? I don't know. I just use I don't know what I use. That is, dude, that is fake. Trump did not sign a tax removing all taxes from crypto. That is fake, dude. I saw that, dude. I saw the same tweet. I think he was signing something else. It's different tax. Dude, that's messed up. No, Igor, that shouldn't. I used to think that, but I don't think that anymore. Someone asked me about the Tumen IFG, and I say absolutely not. It's like just from looking at the price action, look how many volume imbalances there are. Like volume imbalance here, here. Like it's low volume crap here. So I would just wait for open and see what happens. No, this is just like a once in a lifetime thing. I'm probably, I haven't been live since YouTube, so I like way better shaved. Yeah, I know. I haven't been shaved at all. I could go shave right now. Igor, because we literally make up less than 1% of the market. If everyone used inversions, we still would not have enough liquidity. Shave on stream? Nah, that's crazy. I could go stream. I could go shave right now while I'm waiting for market open. I'm just kidding. I'm not walking away from the chart. My bias is bullish, but I'm hoping we get a pullback before, because if we just go straight up here, it's going to be extremely hard to enter a play. Rate the 946 long yesterday. I think I already did. Uh, um, oh, the 946 long. Yeah, that was all right, but you would have had to go for 1R only, and there was an SMT which made it all right, I guess. But I think I gave like an A setup. I think so. FX or futures? I think futures are cleaner, but honestly, FX hasn't been bad lately. So look at this. Look at this paper trade I'm in on Euro. Oh, where is it? Oh, there it is. I'm in this paper trade in Euro off the daily IFG. Look at this. I'm up however many pips this is. I don't know. Like 200 or 2000. I don't know which one. Um, I'm profitable, but why don't I show any payout proof? Dude, I'm just trying to get my first payout, man. I've been struggling. No, the main reason is because I'm trying to become like, like you guys know T Trades. T Trades doesn't show anything. Like I'm trying to become more of an educator like him. Um, you got to kind of choose one. So that's, and it just, if I show my P&L, it just attracts the different type audience that I don't want watching my videos. So, AKA signal bots. So sadly, we are pumping, which again, I am very bullish here. So, but like I said, if we just keep pumping and never get a long setup down here, then it's impossible to get an A plus setup this high. So, do I make most of my money from memberships? I make a decent amount of money from my Discord, yeah, but I still make good money trading. Um, yeah, I mean, of course we got volume that's open, but what about short? I probably want to short this. I mean, I'm like 100% confident we go to the SPY side. And whether we get the pullback or not, I am not confident about getting a pullback. That's what I don't know. All I'm confident about is we go to the SPY side. And I think it's the easiest strong liquidity in the world. But will we get a long setup that's actually good? I don't know. We need to get a pullback or something. Yeah, I got an S corp. Um, no, I make more money on Discord than trading. It used to be the other way around, but I mean, I have 50,000 subscribers now. I didn't expect to get all these people watching me, so it kind of flipped. But my next goal is actually to size up on trading, and then I mean, I want to have a 100K trading month, so I think that would be sick. Then I'd make more from trading. So that's kind of my next goal, to reflip the script. Well, I am an LLC, but I got a S corp, so I'm being taxed as an S corp. I'm not sure how many paid members I have. I don't check my WAP or anything. How do you make money from Discord? By starting a Discord and not being an idiot and being a good teacher and knowing how to trade and putting time aside to help people. I don't know. You also have to be unique. Every single person trying to start paid Discords right now all trades the same way. Like no one's unique anymore. So you go on Instagram and it's the same videos every time. Like you can't really be unique in ICT anymore. The it's too saturated. 1 minute short. Yeah, okay, so yeah, this would be an A plus setup if we got it, if we got like a death candle through it. Um, yeah, exactly. So trades by slates. I guarantee you don't have over 100 viewers, and that's exactly why. I mean, I can find 1,000 trendline traders. Also, I'm also the one who like popularized IFEG, so like that's why everyone knows me, and that was like unique to me. So I mean, that obviously helped a lot. Nah, trades I say there's still more retail traders than ICT traders. Do I do vlogs for write-offs? Nah, I just do vlogs 'cause I like them. Yeah, I just bought some real estate, Ty. So again, this setup here would be an A plus setup if we got like a good momentum through it. Um, we have equal lows here, okay, and we'd be delivering from a 4-hour gap here, and damn, look at this. Someone in my chat just said this. On pace for my third 100K trading month, thanks to DD. The value of the Discord isn't his model, it's his rationale for entering trades slash exiting. See? That's awesome. So, I mean, I haven't made 100K in a trading month before. That's my next goal, so. Dino FX LXG, yeah. So yeah, and then the break even would be here. So it'd be like a 1 hour play if we got it. It's a little less. I mean, the RR isn't that great on this, but Zinc, I'm not gonna check other charts right now. You could DM me in Discord if you want me to rate it. Alex G turned $100. Yeah, dude, Alex G is like the best market I've ever seen. Like honestly, for someone like me, like that inspires me. You know how much money he probably makes? It's crazy. Is a 3 minute better? So good question. If you're not confident in bias, I would wait for the 3 minute here. But let's say you're really confident we get a pullback here, whatever, I'd take the 1. It's like the number one question I get. 2022 mentorship is fun. Yeah, I know Alex G's a scammer, but his marketing's insane. Again, just so you guys know, my bias is bullish, okay? Just so you guys know. The I always tell my chat like the dream scenario. The dream scenario is like this. That's the dream scenario. We need a pullback or something to have a better setup. GTS. It's not that it's garbage. It's just we've gotten way better AM streams. So yeah, I'll post this live. Trader Kane. Trader Kane's a really good trader. He just has a lot of money to risk and not care about, which is different than 99% of us. You know, he could just throw 20K in a trade and make 100K, but he won't even care if he loses the 20K. That's the difference between him and a lot of other traders. So it's almost like he's paper trading, but he's not. Obviously, it just feels like it because he has the money to risk. Why am I bullish today? I'm bullish today because we have probably a 4-hour inversion, and to me, this just looks like a market model. And besides that, we have Trump in office now, so it's pretty much it. Someone asked me yesterday. They said, "Is this going to be a high probability soup?" And I said it could be, but I don't think it's going to work for that long. Maybe like for a little pullback. So have to watch and see. Why am I bullish? Because, dude, just the market sentiment, the 4-hour inversion. Um, I mean, I'm pretty confident. If I wake up in a week, I bet you will beat the SPY side. So stop trading micros. Dude, I only trade micros on funded accounts, guys. Just know any good volume indicators? Or you know? No, I don't. So far, pretty bullish reaction out of this 1 minute. And again, there's not a good IPG here to take anyways, and it's also very high. So, yes, Apollonio. Trade micros and go for 101R, not Beal, until you build a giant buffer. Same with you, Max. Do not touch minis. It's not good unless you have a big whatever. My average R is like one R. So something I've been struggling with lately for everyone watching on YouTube is I've been going for higher R recently, and it has not been working out. I keep getting south to break even on my trades, and my win rate has definitely been less. And it's like killing me because all my trades have been hitting 1R, and then I'll go for higher, and it just never hits. So I don't know. I guess I'm just not like I hit 1 7R trade like 2 weeks ago, and that was it. And all the other trades I've just been 1R, 1R, 1R. Then it goes back to my break even, and I don't scale as much as I used to. So yeah, you could, Alex. You could. What is higher R for me? Like 3 4R. I've been trying to like hold to like the higher time frame London highs, and half of the time they just don't hit. I just don't think the market's been great. So um I would risk $100 the more you're down AI. Isn't this 1 minute for every I get too big? Um Nah, not really. I think if we get a death candle do it, I still think it will work. It's just gotta be a good candle though. Only if we have like really good entry liquidity, Edmund. Nabil, like I already answered, but it's using micros and go for 1R trades. Am I a better trader than Patrick Whelan? Nah, he's definitely made more out than me. He got a $600,000 payout. That's crazy. What he does is he just goes heavy as hell on his fundeds, and he's probably blown more than me because of that, but he's still probably better. I guess he just knows how to abuse prop firms, so. Mm. Mm. Yeah, exactly. XBLADR, and I don't do that. So I do. I mean, Starboy, you don't know how much I risk my personal, bro. My thoughts on Patrick's strategy? I mean, it's all right, but he just goes pretty heavy at like VWAP, which is not going to work every time. Why am I such a great guy, dude? I don't know, man. How's my best friend Hydra doing? He's doing. I haven't talked to him. He blocked me. Do I believe ICT can trade? Well, I saw him trade. I saw him run up a 25K account to like 75K like 2 summers ago, so I know he can trade. Do you trade the morning of FOMC? I used to not do that, but I if price action is really good, I will. Thoughts on PB investing? He's cool. I like him. Did I teach Patrick or Blake? I never taught them like personally, but they watched my YouTube videos, obviously, and that's how they learned IFVGs. 30-second long? No, I would not. I mean, this is not obvious. This is also choppy, which I already said price action is probably not going to be great today. And it's too far to the left. This is definitely like a good eval trade, but not a live account trade. I mean, it could work for eval, but nah, vlogging is not for tax write-offs. I mean, I guess it could be. Dude, wait till you see. So I'm doing a ski vlog this week, and then I'm doing a vlog of a seminar I did, and I also have the class. I'm gonna post a video on how to lose. It's called How to Lose. I did a presentation in front of 35 people live. It's a really good presentation. So live account trade because for one, it's in premium, right? If we're looking for an inversion, we ideally want to get in, down here below this 0.5, which we didn't have a setup here. So now that we're way up here, I mean, it's not bad, but it's just not as high probability as it could be done here. So, and it's kind of far to the left, so it's just not smart. You went to high school with me? What the hell? Who the hell are you? Dude, this man just goes, I went to high school. I don't know who it is. Um, how do I feel about break even trades? Dude, okay, so that's one thing I want to talk about today. My break even method lately has just been killing me, dude. I don't like the last week especially. I don't know. It just hasn't been good because we got all this chop and it gets you break even every time. The Monday before this New York session was awful. Like break even will save you, it just hasn't been lately. I don't know. I've been if there's like a time where like break even's not saving you, maybe go half size and don't go break even. But I trust my strategy in the long run, dude. I just it's hard for me not to. So it hasn't been working lately. I'm not gonna lie. Why will PA be crap today? Because Asia pumped all night. So yo, gate tosses. Who are you? I don't know if I believe this guy. Yeah, yeah. I mean, PA hasn't been. I mean, okay. Here's the thing. It's not that it's been bad for inversions. We haven't really gotten too many inversion fair value gap losses. It's just they're all break even trades, or there's none that trigger. Um, he must have Caleb. I don't know. Like I have a folder, and there's it's this folder on Google Drive, and it basically I made it to show me and remind me like what all these A plus setups looks like, and we just have not been getting any. Um, and again, this folder's not free, so don't ask me to send it to you. But if I go to 2024 and we start looking at all these setups, has price action lately looked like this? Everyone in the YouTube comments, reply yes or no. Have we gotten price action that looks this clean lately, like the last week or so? I mean, this is just like so good. And this is the type of price action I'm waiting for. So I haven't seen it, right? Price action recently in the New York sessions has been awful. So wait, the 30, so there's a 30-second long. So you guys want to take this in eval, I guess you're already probably in, but again, probably not a smart live account trade. I know, Jake, but I'm not going to send the folder on my YouTube live stream. Can I explain Patrick's strategy real quick? Yeah, let me explain it. So there's the first target for the 30-second eval long, by the way, if you took that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to VWAP, okay, and we're gonna turn on the volume weighted average price, and we're gonna go into replay mode. And every single time, every single time we get to that VWAP, we go max leverage 99 cons, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna sell for like 2 points. That's what his strategy is. So that's my interpretation. Mm. What's my VWAP settings? Those are secret. Who took that 30-second trade in eval? If you did, you're cooked. Actually, no, I'm just kidding. What's the best RR in my opinion? There's no right answer to that, dude. So we got about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to this hourly close. So if this 4-hour and hourly close above this inversion, I will probably now use this as support instead of expecting a pullback to here. Does that make sense, everyone? So like right now my support's down here, but if we were to close above this in 7 minutes, I'd actually use this 4-hour to the left as my new support. Does that make sense? Yes or no? I do not trade crypto, no. When I say I'm a better trader than Justin Werline, bro, what are these questions? I don't know. Probably not. I say I'm the worst trader alive, bro. I'm the worst trader in all of Twitter. Dude, anyone trading IPGs now probably either learned from me or learned from someone who learned from me. So when you ask, did I teach this dude? The answer is probably yes, somehow. And then everyone always adds their own twist to it, some way or another. And then they'll make up some. Oh, this is my model name. They'll add a name to the model to. That's how you really know. Because they gotta say it's their model, and then they make like some cringy name for it. So again, 4-hour close is in 5 minutes. So as of right now, okay, this is my support level. All right. So I'm allowing price to come all the way back down here for now. But if we close above this in 5 minutes, my new support level will be this. I'm not rating that, Jorge. What indicators don't I just have the equal highs and equal lows indicator on. Yeah, so Hydra used to only trade breakers, and then he DM'd me one day and he started asking me about my inversions, and then from there it was history. Now I just use inversions. So everyone does. Like when I did I remember when I was doing a live stream with Justin Werline like a year ago? Everyone in his chat was like, "Oh, IPGs suck. Like, why do you even use them? Whatever, like bad RR." And now he just like Justin, he just made a video on IPGs too. So everyone uses them now, dude. It's crazy. IPG just offers more entries, and I feel like IPGs just work faster and better than IPGs instead of dancing around. So, Julian, yeah, that's fine. As long as you found something profitable, it doesn't really matter. Whenever I go live on YouTube for free, PA sucks. I already knew PA would suck today. That's why I went live on YouTube for free. Just to entertain myself. I literally said in my index commentary, I literally said, uh, target hit after hour for I get break 250 point over Nuve, so expect New York not to be amazing. And so far, we've not gotten a single play. So I'm really good at predicting when PA is gonna suck or not now. That's one thing he used to struggle at, but I'm pretty good at it now. So again, it's impossible for us to get an A plus setup here because the bias is bullish, so there's no shorts that are gonna be valid, and it's way too high to get an A plus setup. So objectively speaking, there's no possible way we get an A plus setup today. Meaning I know like I'm not gonna trade my personal account today. I'll maybe trade a funded, but definitely not trading my live account up here. There's no entries, so you blew your eval because of you. Very funny. Do I copy trade? Yeah, I copy trade 20 Apex accounts. Um, no, not really, Hamad. I don't like indicators. Dude, I always say like price action is not gonna be amazing, and then I get like the most people ever in stream, and then they're like, "Oh, Dodgy's, I don't believe Dodgy. Like he always says that, but we still will." And then they just sit and stream, or they watch the price, and then they watch us just go do this crap. We go up, chop, no textbook entry here, and then we just go up another 40 billion points, and then just do nothing. It's just funny because people are like, they're always thinking I'm wrong. Like, oh yeah, we're gonna get good price action, but I know when we're gonna likely get good price action. So fix my camera. Oh, I see why. Sorry. Thoughts on Arho? I don't really know much about them. I use Replicano on the trade debate copier. How do I deal with my trailing DD and Apex with so many break even trades? I mean, I go to break even pretty quick, so it doesn't really affect it. If you go to break even and you're up 100 points and you're not scaling, well, that's where it becomes a problem. So, yeah, I think Arho is cool. The only thing about our host, someone sent me one of his videos on like he was talking about breakaway gaps and it was just completely wrong and not what ICT taught. But I mean, I think he's. I don't watch his. I never watch his other videos, but I'm assuming he knows what he's talking about. I don't really care about anyone else in this industry, dude. So like when you ask me how do you feel about whatever, I don't care. Thoughts on people stuck in the matrix, dude? I don't know, man. Damn. So we got someone took the eval trade, which again it was a good eval trade, but someone took it. They're up. How many points right now? Yeah, they're up like 50 points. Yeah, Tony. It just depends on my confidence. Yeah, no problem, Sajid. I remember you, Sajid. I've seen you before. The eval trade was this long. I said this would be good for eval. Like if you go back on my stream recording, I said this would be a good eval trade. Could have held it to wherever, but it's just it was on premium, so in my opinion, it wasn't really good of a. It wasn't a good live account trade just because it's so high. Yeah, you can copy trade for free on the Tradeaway copier. Can I explain what charts I have open in front of you and what monitors? It's literally different every day. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I usually have ES up on my other screen, but right now I don't because I'm at my Discord chat. But that's pretty much it. Just MQ and ES. You have to use Replicano for that chamber, which is like $200 or something, $150. Yo, we have 1,000 people here and we only have 200 likes. If we can get this to 500 likes, maybe I'll do a giveaway for a eval account. Oh, there we go. All right, that was a good candle. Uh, AI, 90% of people that I like know make more money trading from Discords than actual trading. I mean, there's rare occurrences where you don't, but like Kane got a $1.7 million payout, so and then he started a Discord, so I guess it just and now he's like the money to risk. It just depends on the person. to for me to make more money in Discord, like I almost had to trade emotionally because I'm not emotionally ready to size up like a million points. I'll get there obviously, but not yet. Dude, if we didn't leave these equal lows here, I guarantee you this 15-second would be a super good play. Unless we have maybe an SMT. Let me check. Dude, this looks. Why do we look equal lows? I would take that. I would take. I would take this if we didn't leave these equal lows. Damn. 6 fire. Even ES looks pretty good here too. Is there an SMT though? There is an SMT. What position do I play in soccer? I'm a striker. I have a CPA that does my taxes, so. Dude, if these equal lows were not here, I'd slap the crap out of this right now, dude. Ugh, that's annoying. Is Patrick good at soccer? Yeah, he's all right. You can tell he hasn't played in like 20 years. He probably used to be good. Did I play professional? Nah. I played with professional players. I play this like Thursday night thing where there's some old like semi pros who come play and this pro. So, dude, I want to take this so bad, but it's against my rules so long with equal lows below. That sucks. So I guess we'll just tape read this. But this would be like an A minus setup if we didn't lead equal lows. If we inverse this. Um, Ronaldo is the greatest goal scorer of all time. Dumbo. But obviously, I don't think it's a debate. So next scenario would be maybe go down here, get another inversion. That would be textbook. This is what I prefer. I don't want us to leave these equal lows. So what do you mean? Oh no, bro. Ronaldo's the best goal scorer of all time, but like overall, I don't think it's a debate. I think Messi's just like 10 times better. Yeah, I know Messi's clear. I'm just saying Ronaldo's the greatest striker of all or greatest goal scorer of all time. But overall, it's like Messi by far. Why don't I take it on eval? Yeah, I guess I'll take this on eval if we get it, I guess. All right, did we close above? No, we didn't. So yeah, if we get this on eval, I guess I'll try it. Again, for those who don't know, it is against my rules to long with equal lows below like this because a lot of times I'll get wrecked, but then that's why I can't take this on a live account. So all right, this 30. Oh wait, 30-second close above. So I'm in here, and then I'm just gonna target up here. Let's see, will this work? And then I'll move stop the break even here. Is a 1 minute lows next to each other. Yeah, that's why I'm saying it's against my rules to long this on like a live account. So I'm just taking this on an eval account right now because these lows are equal lows, so I can't do it. Again, what's the framework for me to take like a live account trade right now? Well, the framework would be if we somehow dump, take out these equal lows, and then we get like a long setup here. But that's not happening right now, so why do I still trade evals? I don't. I just say my evals. It's just a singular funded account where I don't copy trade it. I already have 20. It's just because I'm streaming to a lot of people, so they just have to know it's not like a high probability play. Well, hats, it's a good educational moment, so. Why live on YouTube today? I just haven't done one in a while. So. All right. I'm gonna go break even here. So I'm going break even there. Okay, so I was just off the break even there. Just because we re-hit that internal high. And lately the break even hasn't been saving me, so it's probably still gonna pump, if I had to guess. So but we'll see. That timing is crazy. Yeah, dude, if the break even saves me here, that'd be insane. But it doesn't really matter because it's just a count I don't care about. Let's see. Will it break even? Dude, if this break even saves me here, like that would be pretty cool to see because break even has not been saving me recently. It just been we'll hit here, we'll hit the break even spot, then go down, then go back up again. So why would I long this high? I did it for an eval account. That's all I did it for. Again, none of these are good live account trades. We could maybe get a good live account trade if we somehow randomly dump here, get an inversion below these equal lows, and maybe like deliver out of this fair value gap. That'd be like the only possible way. And then we'd also be in that hourly support level as well. Remember what I said. This is the new support. So every time we tap into this, I'm looking for price to bounce off this, not this. So you did, David? Nice. I don't know who you are, but were you in any of my classes or what? Yeah, so I never would have taken this on live if with these equal lows. So break even did not save me there. Like I said, it hasn't been saving me at all. So good trade if you held. Yeah, I did computer science. Well, cybersecurity, but who didn't go break even there because they know that the break even hasn't been saving them lately. Anyone? Nice. Yeah, stay in frost. Nice. I mean, Martez, if you didn't go break even because you left equal highs, that's fine. But yeah, I used to trade my own money, and then I did prop firms. Now I'm trading my own money again. So I think I am gonna go to Columbia. I'm gonna go to Columbia maybe next month. So David, were you in any of my classes or? Do I have one full TP trade this month? What do you mean? Yeah, I had like the first 2 weeks of January. I had a ton of full TP trades. At the last week, I have not gotten any. Yeah, just so you guys know, Trump does speak at 11. So, am I going to do the trade wars? What the hell is that? David, I might. I didn't know anyone in my classes, dude. I'm not gonna lie. I know like two people. I didn't even pay attention in class. I was just on the charts all the time, and I ended up graduating like a 3.9 or something, but I just did not pay attention at all. TGR Trade Wars? No, I'm not. I don't know what that is. How much to get a lock of your hair? $100. Didn't TGR rug people? Dude, I don't know. Why are the markets like this? Dude, I don't know. I have no idea. Sending hate from Saudi. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. Sending hate back from the U.S. Dude, come on, give us some good price action here. I want like a death candle to these equal lows. This could be all right. This short right here. Yeah, I make sure to ban anyone who talks like anyone in TGR's chat. Toil, I already knew it was gonna be like this. Mm, come to Albania. I'm gonna travel soon. Don't worry. Beach Panda, that's what I've heard, but I'm not gonna do anything with them. I don't want a disease, dude. How long did I backtest my strategy? For like a long time. I gatekept how I use IPGs for like 4 months, and that's how I know like my impact on the IPG like community and the whole and everyone using IPGs now. Like that's how I know it's good because when I gatekept the IPGs, no one ever used them, and then I started teaching them, then everyone started using them. So obviously, I know I'm like the reason for that, but. You're coming to Miami with May. Would you hit the club with a student? Yeah, if you hit me up on Instagram, maybe. Diego, I'm sure you are better than 99% of my students. Good job, man. Bet you're making a lot of money. Yeah, ICT talks about IPGs in his mentorship, but barely. He just marks them on the chart and doesn't really, he never really taught how to use them. Like, I kind of created a model around them, I guess. I don't know. It just, am I a millionaire? Nah, dude. I don't have like, I'm trying to get my first 10K, dude. Did ICT say you're a fake in one of his videos? No, I think he's talking about Hydra. I know what you're talking about. I emailed ICT after he said that, and he said he was talking about someone else, and I think it was Hydra because he told me who in the email, but he never said like his name. But the way he described them, I think it was him. Diego, I'm not doing trade wars, bro. I'm, dude, I'm trying to make money, not do trade wars. I'm a trader, not a content creator. Well, I'm kind of both, but what's after the Corvette? I don't know. Dude, I love how everyone's like, oh, let's have a trade off. But at the end of the day, we're all here to just make money, dude. Like, who cares? I don't know. Someone said Trump speaks today. I guess it's tomorrow. Do I do rent? Yeah, I rent my apartment. Torby, I write down what you're struggling with and why you're unprofitable and try to fix that only. So again, pretty choppy PA here. I mean, you can tell when like PA is dead. This is starting to get a little dead, but all of a sudden, if we all of a sudden we get like a really pretty big candle below these, I think this could be like a decent short. But like I said, this is not doing anything, dude. Yeah, I did, Al. I probably stopped answering my DMs because I get them so many times a day, bro. I used to answer every Instagram DM I don't know if you guys remember, but I used to answer every DM on Instagram, and I can't do it anymore. It's just too much. Where's the fee? It's $50 a month if you want to watch my student reliable stream PM session. Saqweeb. He does fairly well, so. Do I go to? No, I'm gonna go to Thailand at some point. Jade Cap just said he longed YM. What is YM doing? I wonder why I longed it. Oops. No, I bought a duplex. Yeah, I don't know why I longed it, but you ever see the bookmap order flow? No. All right, yeah, this could be a good short. Let's see. So the break even would be here. Nope, so not valid. Never mind. So yeah, that would have been a pretty good short, but now it's not valid since we hit the low here. Again, my model is not valid if we take out liquidity at the same time as a close, just so you guys know, for anyone new watching. Now, if the candle were to close like here, then yes, it would have been a good entry. Al, no, I'm both are running out right now until I think April. Oh yeah, this is a banger 15-second long. But there's still equal lows beneath, so I'm really against our rules to take it. Again, I'm focused I'm focused on getting these equal lows, guys. I really want these equal lows. There's no wait, is there necessary? Yeah, there is a wait a minute. It looks like there is an SMT at the top. But I want the equal lows. 2-minute short, let me check. Yeah, I see what you're saying. Yeah, I think the 2-minute short could work. But we got to get a good candle through it. It's got to be a nice, strong candle, not that many wicks, and just close around here. If it starts chopping and then like slowly closes under here, it's not going to be as good. Dude, trading has been so ass recently, bro. Do you guys want to see the executions of the last setup I took on my personal account? I have a folder with all my executions. It was, let me find it. It was this right here. This is my last setup I've taken. Okay. I gotta somehow get the account out. It's gonna show my account info, my lab account info. So I'm gonna get that out. Low resistant conditions. And typically when you get the low resistant conditions is when you have big overnight moves. So when you see those big overnight moves, trend lines actually work better during New York. If you have a small overnight move, then the trend lines usually get, well, they still work, but it's more breakout trend lines. So Nick, what trade are you talking about? Oh no, that was on my Apex funded accounts, my 20 accounts, but I don't take those as serious. I mean, I'm trading decent size on my live account, so I'm pretty patient. Jay, a strong candle is like a candle we see that just is a very strong body and has little wicks. So like this, I would consider this a strong candle. Right? If we got like a candle that closes below, but it's like way bigger on the wicks, then I don't touch them. I try not to. Igor, if we basically get over a 200-point overnight move, then New York AM usually sucks. The gray box is a 2-minute IFG. And yes, Apex is trustworthy. Don't forget to use code Dodgy for an Apex discount right now. If you don't, your pillow's going to be warm tonight. CM, don't worry about it. No, I just kind of look at it, the move as a whole. All right, let's see. Will we get a good death candle below this? If we do, I want these equal lows. There's still 1 minute till the close. So if this candle closes like how it's looking right now, then I think this would be a pretty good setup to go to these equal lows. But if let's say we get like a wick here, then we get another candle, then it like just kind of chops and closes below, then I don't think it would be as good. I don't know. I hope I do. I use switch, Chris. I'm a switch tacker. Um, when will the discount be an Apex can? I hope soon. 3 minute failed? What 3 minute? The 3 minute wasn't valid because there's a fair value gap here too. So it's not, it wasn't valid. Yo, do you guys want to see my executions? I'm gonna be fully transparent with you guys. I'm gonna show you my executions today. Ready? These are my executions. I'm just kidding. Am I a Zap Lalo kind of guy or E-Drag spam guy? Neither of those. Those both take. No one uses those anymore, unless you're bad. Justin calling my model the forever model. Yeah. I mean, when you have that many followers and you make a name of something, it just helps your brand better. So all these guys are making up names for stuff now, like calling it the forever model. Like I just call them IFGs because that's what I learned from ICT. I'm not gonna change anything. Yeah, forever model is good, but it's a trade that I'd take, and I don't use a forever model. It's just what ICT's taught. Yeah, it's not the same rules, but it's literally what ICT's taught. Like every model, any ICT trader that they teach, any ICT trader's model is like what ICT's taught, just different PD arrays combination. Yeah, and I take CISD IPGs all the time. Like I said, it's just everything ICT's taught: SMT, CISD, IPG, and then they just add it into a combination and then just slap a name on it. But yeah, Justin's a good trader. Mm, yeah, every model is basically the same thing. How to decide what time frame to look at? I just look for the obvious stuff. So like right now, I think the 2 minutes actually the most obvious time frame here. But I mean, price is pretty trash right now, so. I hit top 6K in Legends and Clash of Clans. So I'm not from India now, man. Jor, I don't think it'll be a waste of time. I think you should 100% watch ICT. Am I? Yeah, I'm max, Dumbo. If I wasn't streaming, how long would you wait for PA to get better before getting off? If I wasn't streaming, I would not have looked at the market today. If I wasn't streaming, I probably would have just set alerts and that was it. That would be it. But am I from Albany? No, I'm like 3 hours away from that. Dude, low key. So if we look at YM right now, we got equal highs, and we could get an inversion here. This would be a good setup. So let's say we sweep this low, and we get an inversion here to the upside. This would be a good setup. I guess we can watch it. So I'd be looking for like this if we got it. If we got this on NQ, oh my god, that would be insane. But NQ is just pumping and doing trash. I'm from upstate Chamber. All right, let's see. Will we get a YM long? This is setting up really nicely. This is like the only chart even worth watching, dude. NQ's just pumping and doing nothing. This price action sucks? Yeah, I already said it would suck. Everyone surprised that the price actions suck. You gotta check index commentary. If I think the price action is gonna suck for people in my Discord, watch index commentary. I'll basically say it. So I'd literally say 250-point move overnight again, so expect New York not to be amazing. All right, I'm already calling this out at 8:14 a.m. way before we're even I'm even looking for a trade. So if you see that and you want to go back to sleep, then feel free. But I already said that we would not get PA today again. So usually the times where we get big overnight moves, just the New York AM session is usually trash. So that was the way I determined it this morning. Now this does not look like a trash setup. This is genuinely a really good setup if we were to get it. I don't know if we will or not, but where did I go skiing? Just like a small hill right near where I live. It's called Bristol Mountain. Can I live off trading? Yeah, I could. Easily. What do you mean? What do you mean what? Do I know how to hit rails? I tried hitting one and I didn't work out. It was my second time skiing. I hit a box. Nah, I try not to, JJ. Yeah, Logal, I mean, it's a good model, man. All right, look at this YM trade. I low-key might try this. If we get like a good candle here. This is genuinely a really good setup. Did I make a living when I first started trading? No, dude. I lost money. Dude, please give us this YM play. I will genuinely probably take this if we get it. Because I cannot trade NQ here. Wait, you know Caleb, Gabe? I don't really use footprint charts that much. I mean, I'll check footprint charts all the time, but I can predict, dude, because of ICT, I can predict what a footprint chart's gonna print before I even see it. Like a lot of these order flow traders are like, oh, you need order flow, but I can almost predict the order flow before I even see it half the time. So just because of time, I understand when moves should happen, and if they don't, it's not gonna happen till whatever this time, So wait, so he knew you from my high school, Gabe, or what? Our footprint chart's good. Yeah, they're good. Dude, let's get this YM IPG, please. Can I adjust the screen so we can see your stop loss and PTs? What do you mean? You can't see it right now? I got you, Gabe. Makes sense. Yo, who's gonna take this YM setup if we get it? I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna risk it. What I'm willing to lose. I don't care. It's a good setup. Mm. It's YM. It's like it's not yes or NQ, but Gilmere, if you want to accept the risk, I've done it before. I've taken trades right before all the time, so. Dude, NQ is just pumping, bro. So my bias was right in NQ, but we didn't get a good setup. That's like so I was right, but sometimes you just don't get a good setup, and that's okay. Which I didn't think we would because of today, but all right, if this 3-minute closes above and the 2-minute closes above, I'm gonna try a YM trade here, I think. Yeah, the 3-minute and 2-minute look the best here. A lot of people like overcomplicate trading, dude. If I see my setup, dude, I'm taking it. I don't care. I've not seen my setup once in NQ, but YM, this is definitely a good setup. We have equal highs, singular fair value gap. We swept this liquidity pool here. Good reaction. I mean, if I had to put this in my journal, I would not care. I'd be like, yeah, this is a good setup. So now let's say it doesn't trigger. Well, then I'm not taking it. So. Zane, I'd probably risk 200, so maybe like 10-ish, 10 to 12. One minute NQ short. Dude, I'm trying to stay away from shorting NQ right now. The draw on liquidity is very clearly bullish, and there's no guarantee we're gonna retrace. So typically what I do if the draw on liquidity is bullish, but I see a short setup, I watch either the short play out or fail, and then I wait for the long setup. These will work sometimes, but I just think they're too low of a win rate for me to try every time. If that makes sense. All right, come on, YM. Please just give us a play. How do I know the draw on liquidity? Because on the 4-hour chart, I drew out my support because we inverse these two fair value gaps. So where does the market naturally want to draw towards? The next high inside of a fair value gap. And what causes price to go down here when we're in the sell side of the model? Well, people shorting here. So where's the stop loss going to be for the algorithms? Well, up here, you know. And this is a big area that caused the market to dump. So now that we're back in the buy side of the curve, and we kind of got the, I think there was an SMT here or something, but then price is going to target that old spot, which caused the market to dump. And all I'm using is this inversion to the left for support, meaning I do not want price to go back below this, and I want price to either go hit this high and then the higher high. So that's pretty much the reason. What? It's because I try not to short when I know the drawn liquidity is bullish, because sometimes these will work, but sometimes they won't. The win rate's like 50%. I think like if YM gave us this is like an 80% win rate play. I mean, equal highs, singular inversion, swept liquidity. Like this is a setup I take on my live account. But NQ'd, it looks nothing like that. So. Look how trashy S looks here too, dude. I thought January was really good the first 2 weeks, but this has been awful, dude. Like, what is his PA? Yeah, Jade Cap longed YM. That's what he told me. He longed here, so he's probably waiting drawdown right now. Yeah, I don't think YM's going to give us a setup, sadly, so that was going to be our only opportunity to be taking a play today. Yeah, it's been crazy. I haven't taken a trade in over a week. That's just I have in my Apex 20 accounts and my funded accounts, but I have not taken a personal trade in over a week. Every New York session. Now, let's say I was trading a London session, I probably would have taken 3 or 4 trades, but I don't trade. I'm sleeping, so New York session has been awful. Like more than 200 points. No, it's not too big, Bob. So yeah, we're not gonna get the YM play, unfortunately. Can I show the London trades I'd take? Nah, not right now. Gold short. Let me check. I guess that's where we're checking gold here. Mm, mm, mm. Um. Nah, gold is garbage, bro. If you ever see this, do not trade. This is garbage. It's like just a V shape down, up, down, up, down, up. This is literally garbage. There's no drawn liquidity here. Mm. Yeah, I know gold's trash, dude. All right, I guess it's time to make my daily tweet. You can only like this tweet if you didn't take a trade today. Do I ever trade pre-market? Sometimes. Dude, this is so bad, bro. I mean, I guess you kind of. I don't know what your Instagram name is, though. I have like 5,000 million DMs. Dude, there's not even anything to talk about. Like, the only thing I could actually genuinely talk about was the YM long, which never even triggered. But looking at NQ, dude, like, this is just awful, bro. EMA trades are probably printing right now, dude. 30-second IPG, bro? No. Why? Stop asking me IPGs. Look at this price action. It's just literally dog shit. It's all dead and choppy and ugh. Dog shit. Can someone actually like give me a ticker which actually is good price action? Bitcoin maybe? No, this sucks. Actually, wait. Let me see. Actually. Yo, low key, this is actually not a bad setup right here. All right, this 1 minute close above in Bitcoin. I'm taking this. Only on paper though, obviously. I'm not trading. I don't even think I can trade Bitcoin. All right, here's an actual good setup. Rejected, rejected. Okay, why is it rejecting my order? Not enough funds? There we go. So if we were to get the same setup on NQ, I'd do break even here. And then I'd probably do stop loss under here. And TP up here. All right, back to trash ass NQ, bro. I graduated, buddy. Where is Peyton? Peyton is in New York. I miss her very much. Um, oil maybe. Dude, I don't know, man. This is just awful. I mean, this is actually a genuinely decent setup, so we'll watch this. Oil left. Oil isn't bad, but we left these equal lows here. I don't like that. Yeah, this is only, guys, so this is only a demo trade right here. This is, I'll just do a paper trade. I don't trade Bitcoin. Bitcoin's not that great. But the only live account trade I would have taken today was this inverse here in YM. Okay, that's the only trade I would have taken, but it never triggered. So, nothing I can do. I'm gonna put this top on this low. Dude, you know price action's bad when I have to resort to going in the Bitcoin 1 minute time frame. Start trading the Bitcoin 1 minute time frame. That's how you know NQ sucks. I don't think I've ever done this before. Buy some Bitcoin? I don't know. I have no idea, dude. Higher time frame looks garbage. NQ moving. Yeah, it's moving all right. Moving back into the chop, baby. Let's go. Yeah, it's just to show how bad PA is right now. All right, so if we get this 2 minute, I will probably just take this on eval, to be honest. Not a good live account trade. Want to know what would be a real okay, guys, look. Want to know what would be a really good live account trade right now is if we got this, but it was like this. Let me show you. This is good at chase a moment. Are you ready? So I'm gonna go to my drive, go to my setups. Are you guys ready for this? This right here. If we got this signature price, boom, boom, IPG. But do you see the difference between the up move here? The up move doesn't have a fair value gap, but it's not a V. Like, that's the difference. That's what I'm looking for. This right here. Does it look the same? Yes or no? Did it look the same? Everyone answer. Yeah, no, it did not. The down move is the same, but look at the up move. The up move is just garbage. There's no fair value gap. There's nothing to tell me we're going to truly reverse here. We're just inversing more chop. You want speed. In order to get a good setup, you want speed up and then speed down. We do not have speed up. We have trash up. Dude, this is so annoying to watch, bro. How I can't trade this. My model is not presenting itself. I'm gonna FaceTime Nick and see what he thinks about PA. He's not answering. Damn. ES 1 minute? Let me check. Yeah, low key, it doesn't look bad. I'm not gonna lie. But I kind of want these equal lows. I prefer the 2 minute inverse into the downside on NQ. So break even did just hit a Bitcoin. So I'm gonna go break even, and then TP will be this high right here. No, I'm not looking at YM anymore. Sorry. Bitcoin needs to close above this 2 minute right here. Yo, who took this Bitcoin play? Let's go. We're printing. Yeah, I'll upload this to live. Low key, my stop loss is in a good bounce spot. I feel like this could happen. But whatever. I'm just gonna leave it. Bills or Chiefs, bro. I'm a Bills fan. I don't even want to watch the game. Bro, please break this 2 minute. Please just give us something, man. It didn't take my stop loss on Bitcoin. What do you mean? I put my stop loss below this low. It would be like B plus, yeah. The 2 minute. If you're ever trading Bitcoin, do not make your stop loss a close below the IFG. Bitcoin will not respect it on the 1 minute time frame. Always do it below the swing low. Jake, I'm down. Yeah, that'd be cool. I sat in the 200 sections underneath the heated seats when they played the Patriots like 4 weeks ago. That was fun. So yeah, just future advice, non-financial advice. Do not put your stop loss to close below the IFG on a 1 minute time frame Bitcoin. You will get stopped out every time. You got to be below the swing low. All right, I'm gonna make an Instagram video. You guys all have to respond. Dude, I can't. Dude, reliable. This sucks, bro. So, bro, it's been a week and I'm about to quit trading, dude. What is this price action? Okay, I gotta remake this. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been like a week now, and this price action is literally preposterous. What is this crap? Yo, everyone in YouTube, rate this price action 1 to 10, and everyone in Discord, rate it 1 to 10. Let's see what their answer is. No. Okay, we got a bunch of zeros. What's YouTube saying? 0, 0, 0, 0. Dude, this is so bad. The only possibility I see is maybe getting this 2 minute short, but there's literally been not a single textbook play. All right, if we get this, I'm gonna short this on eval. See what happens. All right, I am taking this short right now. My target will be the equal lows. Again, this is not a live account trade for me. And the reason is, for anyone new watching, I try to stay away from the fair value gaps that are like from an hour ago. So it is now 11 o'clock, and this fair value gap is literally from a whole hour ago. So I usually try to avoid those. Because we do have equal lows, I feel like there's a decent chance this does work still, but I typically try to get in the trade up here if it gives me an opportunity, which it did not. So, do I mean long? No, I'm gonna short here, dude. I'm not targeting these equal lows. Stop loss would be a close back above the fair value gap. So. My stop loss is always a close back above the inversion. So if we were to close back above it, that's when I'd get out. Now I will draw CE of this. Now there's also no break even for this play, which also is kind of sucks. So that's the other reason why I'm not taking this in my live account, because there's not a good break even point either. So again, it's just like a B setup. This probably is like a 50% win rate. It's just an ass setup, which is obviously why I'm not taking it on my live account. Do I use 1 minute IPG? Yeah, I do. The best 1 minute IPGs are the ones at the top, but we never got a good one here, in my opinion. It just was all trash. Have I read The Secret? No, I haven't. All right, there's the retest the inversion. Dow is clean. What's the Dow doing? Dow's not bad, yeah. Why am 30-second long? No. Is this a unicorn to the downside? Dude, this is chopped to the downside. That's what this is. This isn't really anything, in my opinion, to the downside. So when you say it's a unicorn, I mean, the answer is no, technically. Tanya is also short. Yeah, Tanya, I don't know why Tanya's short, but this is, again, this is never price action I'd ever trade in my live account. So I'm not sure why Tanya's shorting, but I mean, that's fine, I guess. Where can I study your model in full detail? If you go to my strategy playlist on my YouTube, you can study it. All right, so let's see if I get stopped out here. Okay, so because we only wicked above and we did not close above, that means the stop loss did not hit, just so you guys know. But this is also not really what we want to see. Do you see how we're like coming down? We're stalled at the CE of this wick. And if there's equal lows here, do you think price should stall? No, it should not. So I already think this is going to be a losing trade, which again, I'm not in my live account, so I could care less. And again, it's just why you don't short a fair value gap from like a whole hour ago. It just doesn't make any sense. 5 minute holding, yeah. 5 minute is holding here, but 3 minute. Yeah, 3 minutes holding as well. Would I not long from this? No, the only way I'd long here is if we came down to these equal lows and then we got a long. That would maybe be a good live account long, but anything else in this range right here is not good for live account because of how bad this PA is. So again, I already logged out my live accounts like more than an hour ago, so I'm not going to take a live trade even if we do get this anymore because it is past my trading time. But hypothetically, if we were at 10 o'clock, this is where I'd kind of look for live account long down here. So no, I wouldn't long down here. I'd long only if you got an inversion model from down here. So. Okay, so technically there's the stop out there because it closed back above. Let's see. Is there another? There's not like another 2 minute gap or anything. There is a 3 minute maybe. We could get like another 3 minute gap here maybe. Watch Dow. Dow's all right, but so Linda, do you understand why I'm not touching a live account, Linda? Again, I know if I were to, I would be losing and getting break even stops. So that's why I'm kind of staying off of live accounts today, which I've explained, if that makes sense. Yeah, I know. I talked about YM once and I get bombarded, dude. That's crazy. Anyone else here trade on their Xbox? No, that's actually sounds sick though. So now we have another 2 minute inversion here, which I will probably also try and eval. Again, we'd be delivering from the CE of this wick. Again, not a live account trade though. And then target would just be this high. When do I end streams usually? I'll probably end it soon. Very nice, Adam. Why do you take that trade? Oh, I see the IPG. Yeah, that's a good trade. Tanya lost. Yeah, like I said, Tanya's a decent trader, but she trades accounts when she shouldn't. I mean, I don't know why she'd be touching. I don't know why she'd be trading right now. I feel like some of the trades Tanya takes are just because she has so many people watching her. I will be very clear if I'm not trading, and I'm not trading this obviously. So I don't know. Like I said, she's a good trader, but she definitely could avoid some more trades. I feel like she trades just to trade sometimes. So just because she has so many people watching, I've had like 5,000 viewers before, and I'll be honest, I'm not just gonna trade just because I have people watching me. Like I'm not gonna trade this crap. I'm just not touching this. So. Mm, mm. Um, Dodgy, give me a trade so your little child can eat tonight, dude. There's no trade to take, bro. This is literally just like chop. Like I said, if we look at that folder from that I showed you the A plus setups on, we've seen nothing remotely close to any A plus setup literally at all. Mm, 2 minute long at 10:58. Um, you're longing with equal lows below, so the probability of this playing out is like 50% win rate. Because when we get the inversion, it's just we have equal lows below, and these are pretty obvious equal lows. They're pretty far apart. They're pretty obvious. So the win rate of this long just isn't great. So it'd be just be like a B setup probably. 5 minute entry. I probably if there's 2 minute closes above, this could work. But remember, there's equal lows below, so I'd almost rather get the short. I like the short here better to the equal lows, in my opinion. Mm, yeah, this 30 seconds actually a pretty good short here. Oh, I'm gonna slap this 30-second short in eval again. So I'm gonna try one more short here. Um, and yeah, I'm just gonna target the equal lows again. This is like a nice. I like this candle. It's a nice death candle, and it's kind of violating this pretty quickly. So it just makes sense to work. Sensation Cube. Yeah, that was a terrible play. You're long with equal O's below. And now look, we got a death candle. So I know Adam said he faded me, but the chance of his TP hitting before the equal O's is very unlikely. But I'm sure Adam's a great trader. I'm not going to tell him what to do. Okay, so it looks like this 2-minute will close below, and we are delivering out this for Valley Gap. So, yeah, 21 seconds. Yeah, the 3 and the 2 look clean here. It's like a 2022 model to inversion. Yeah, this is, yeah, Cal. Yes. So there's the 2-minute close, which is nice. The break even is going to be this low here. And again, you can kind of see like we got chop, 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 and all of a sudden, boom, death candle. So definitely jumps out at me more, but I'm obviously not. I'm still on eval because again, it's past my trading time. I usually get. I'm usually done trading 11, but it still will be fun to tape read. If we got this, like, let's say we got this run open, this would have been a great live account play. What would I rate it? This would be an A setup because we're delivering from here. We got a death candle below the 2-minute. And yeah, it wouldn't be A plus because we never really took liquidity, but definitely an A setup. Bad RR, I mean, yeah, it's not the greatest RR. I don't really go for higher RR trades though, so. Do I trade PM? No, so I'm done trading after 11 o'clock per my rules. I only trade New York. I'll trade PM session like on like just random eval accounts, but I don't trade PM session. Ugh. IPG in the 1 minute looked okay to short. Yeah, it definitely looked good. I don't even like this retrace. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, this retrace is not what you want to see with equal O's below. Remember the other trade? Remember down here I said, should we be stalling here if we have equal O's? And the answer is no. Right? We're stalling again here, even though we have equal O's below. So this tells me it's just not great conditions because usually winning trades will typically accelerate a little quicker to these equal O's. So it's not really ideal price action, which we already know that, and I've made clear 50 million times this morning, which is why I'm not in a live account right now. So um, obviously that's nothing new or nothing surprising. Do I like Argentina? Yeah, dude, I love Argentina. Mm. See you later, Amy. It's gonna consolidate here and chop everyone. Yeah, it could. That's been this price action today. So yeah, I'll only typically trade A plus plus setups that go along with the drawn liquidity in my live account, Christian. I don't touch anything else. Like this is an alright setup, but it wouldn't be good enough for a live account. For my personal Apex funded, yeah, but this is not good enough. Who's the best golfer trader? I don't know. I know Justin's pretty good at golf. Justin Merline. I remember seeing his swing is pretty good. No, I'm not. I don't ever trade PM Scuba Steve. I only demo or eval trade it. So it looks like this death candle is just going to get V-shaped back up, which obviously is expected because of the price action. This long could be decent as well. So there is a long here. I will try this long as well. So I'm going to take this long and then stop the break. You're going to be here. Just on a evo though, obviously not live trading. Horrible this PA, dude. I already said PA would be horrible at 8:14 a.m. this morning. Just got to be prepared. 2 back-to-back losses on paper. Yeah, same, dude. Again, there's a reason I'm not trading a live account here, guys. I mean, I'm not going to trade when conditions are not high probability, so gotta wait. Yeah, Patrick Whelan is probably a better trader than me, Curtis Jones. He's a pretty good trader. SMT at the lows too. Yeah, there's an SMT at the highs and the lows, so it doesn't really do anything. It's kind of funny. Again, when you see SMTs when you see SMTs at the highs, lows, that's also a bad sign of PA. So there's SMTs everywhere today. Yeah, Justin Merline Psychology's videos are pretty awesome. Why don't I use a long/short projections? I just don't. I like using liquidity better. I don't think they help me that much. Good day to blow eval as it renews tomorrow. Yeah, if you guys the people who didn't take a trade today on a live account like me, like you guys have the best chance of becoming profitable. But for those like forcing trades in this whatever BS this is, when we already knew price action was not going to be good, those are the guys who are just in this to make money. And it's very obvious if you're just trying to trade for money. You can't be trading for money. So if you took a live trade today, I feel bad because you don't have that discipline yet, but you just got to know not to take a live trade today. So I am going to stop the break even there for the long position. And then I'm going to sell when we hit this high. But on paper, once you see this shit, yeah, of course. Dude, people ask me like, I'll take like a win on a paper eval, and they'll be like, "Oh, why don't you trade on your live account?" And it's like, dude, I've traded long enough to know like I'm not gonna, even if I do take a win on an eval trade, I know it's not good enough for my live account. I know just because I took a win once means that's not gonna win every time. I don't think people understand that. So, all right, we just ran into this like LRLR, so I guess we'll see if this breaks or not. You and Lemmy traders would fit. Just saw our stream. What do you mean? Yeah, money pays the bills, but money does not pay the bills when we're getting this type of price action. All right, just stopped out a break even for that long trade, which is obviously expected because this price action is trash. There was a woman IP short in NQ. Yeah, there was. It just completely got wrecked though. Yeah, exactly. That's a good point. So people struggle because they'll make money on a day like this and they can't repeat that. So that's a great point. So what they'll do is they'll take a winning trade on a day like this, and they'll be like, "Oh, like let's go. I just took a winning trade," and then they take that same trade another day and they get wrecked on it. And that's where experience comes into play because I know some of these trades, even if they work out, they're not good trades. So like some wins, like the statement that some wins are bad wins is a very true statement. We do have a potential 30-second here. Let's see how this closes. Could be another eval play, but obviously not a live account play. Tanya lost again. Yeah, like I said, Tanya's a great trader, but she's forcing trades when conditions just suck right now. Um, and I think if she were able to fix that, I think she'd be better. But um, again, I wouldn't. I don't know why anyone would be trading this right now. So I stream every day in Discord. Do I consider myself a good trader? I'm all right, but there's definitely things I could work on. Dude, this price action is awful. Did, see, it's so bad, bro. I took two eval losses so far, and I took two eval wins, and I've not touched a live count. It's like I know it's December all over again, dude. I swear. I said the same thing. Yeah, I was looking for the same thing. Yep. I was looking for the equal lows, never hit. Yeah, it's hard because the higher time frame is bullish. Yeah, yeah, I got you. I, yep. Yeah, I can't wait for price action to clean up, dude. We'll see, but I'm still live on YouTube right now. So why? I was just kind of talking. I was just kind of talking through the PA, like explain people like how I could predict it. Because at 8:14, I said it wasn't going to be good PA today. So I'm kind of just explaining like why I thought it wasn't going to be good PA, etc. So yeah, yep, nice. Yeah, that's fire. All right, well, I'll see you later. I'll no, let me see. Dude, that's crazy. All right, I'll see you later. Dude, that's crazy. There's snow in North Carolina right now, or South Carolina. Wow. What do you even do now? What I don't know what you mean. February should be better. I mean, we'll get good price action eventually. I just don't know when. Will I trade it all before Trump speaks tomorrow? If we get good PA, yeah. We just gotta get a good ass setup. Like the setup I showed you guys on YM today. We gotta get something like that. If we don't get anything like that, then I will not be trading. Okay, I'm out of the 30-second long there, guys. I am holding a runner, just so you guys know. Best cryptocurrency for investment. I don't know.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's been like a week now. This price action is literally preposterous. What is this crap? Yo, everyone in YouTube, rate this price action 1 to 10, and everyone in Discord rate it 1 to 10. Let's see what their answer is.
I'm holding my runner for this high, by the way, for everyone wondering.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's been like a week now.
Why isn't this working? Why trade on YouTube tomorrow? Nah. Does everyone see why I'm always a permabull now? This is why, like, when we're getting near all-time highs, this is why I'm always a permabull. Everyone always like makes fun of me for it, but shorts just don't work at the time. Because the market does go up 70% of the time, so. YM longs look decent. Ooh, yeah, not bad. I mean, I don't like how we left these equal lows, but. All right, well, I got to do a class for my mentorship students, so I'm probably going to get off here. Again, no trades for me today. And in hindsight, if I were to look at the market in hindsight, it would be very hard for me to even find an A+ trade I could have taken in hindsight. So, honestly, I'm glad that I didn't take any trades just because I never would have taken any of these anyways. Even after seeing everything in hindsight. So I appreciate everyone coming out, and no, they're not. I think this is bullish. I wouldn't take it. I missed a 5-minute IPG. What do you mean? No, I didn't. I took the 30-second long. Look, you can see these are my eval executions. I just took 11 contracts off this 30-second. I sold here, and then I got one left for up here, but yeah, I didn't miss it. Took this one, saw the break even, took the 30-second. No, I'm missing a lead runner, so yeah, I wouldn't be calling out the 30-second short. I mean, there's no point. I think the draw on liquidity is bullish, so yeah, the 5-minute was also an OB too. That was the other good. See, I caught it. I mean, I got in a little late, but I still caught it. It was just better on the 30-second. The 5-minute IPG failed also. Look. It literally closed above, then below, then above again. That failed. So. All right. Well, I will see you guys all later. Thanks for coming out. And yeah, dude, I think we're going to be just bullish for Trump. So I would strongly encourage against shorting for now until we hit at least this high in NQ. Maybe we'll get like a pullback here or something, but I think we're going to go like this or do something along the lines of that. But do I trade a 30-second? Yeah, I do all the time. Why is PA bad? Because the overnight move was so big. So, all right. Well, I'll see you guys later. Peace. And stay disciplined. Wait for the A+ subs to come. They will come. You just gotta wait. And I know they haven't in like a week. Well, we've gotten some good setups, but Just be patient. We've not got anything obvious, so just gotta wait. And I know it sucks, but yeah.